Hello, this is Rebecca with Digital Thinker. Did you know EAM supports defining a local unit of measure? As of version 12.2.1, you can define a local UOM for a part and store combination. This information can then be referenced when viewing inventory and submitting transactions. Before we take a closer look at this functionality, please subscribe to this channel so we can continue our EAM learning journey together. To support local UOMs, 3 fields have been added to the Part Screen Stores tab: Part UOM, Local UOM, and Quantity per Part UOM. The Part UOM displays the global UOM value from Record View. The local UOM allows for designating the local unit of measure for the part and store combination. In this example, the part UOM is feet, whereas the local UOM for this store is meters. Next, the quantity per part UOM is used to specify the conversion rate. So 1 foot equals 0.3048 meters. Once the local UOM details are populated, users will be able to record transaction quantities in a UOM they are familiar with. New quantity fields have been added to various inventory transaction screens to support this functionality. Let's hop over to the Stock tab to take a closer look. A quantity on hand local field has been added to this screen. So there are 54 meters of rope on hand, which equals just over 177 feet. Either field can be updated, and the system will automatically calculate the other field based on the quantity per part UOM. I am going to issue 3 meters of rope to our work truck. So from the Actions dropdown, I'm going to navigate to Issue Part. Enter in the equipment, and I am going to be issuing in my local UOM, so I'm going to enter 3 meters. You can see that I can reference the available quantity in my local UOM or the global part UOM, and then submit. If you are considering utilizing this functionality, it is important to understand that transaction quantities will always be recorded in the part UOM. If we take a look at this transaction, you'll see that the quantity was recorded in feet. Local UOM quantities are not stored in the database nor saved with the transactions. Essentially, the local UOM is a tool for users to be able to reference quantities in their local unit of measure. I encourage you to reference the Hexagon EAM 12.2.1 release notes for a comprehensive list of screens where the local UOM quantity fields have been added. And for those of you who are using digital work or mobile offline, the apps have been updated to support this functionality. Thanks for watching.